Hello, it's your girl Gaonou here. For today's video, I'm doing a hair review. Insert name here. They were kind enough to send over some of their products for me to test out. So I have two of their ponies, and then I also have a bun. And my sister's actually behind the camera, and she is going to help me insert these into my hair and give me that new hairdo. I actually miss my long hair, so I'm really excited for the ponies as well as the bun because your girl is not the best with hair, and I actually suck at doing my own buns, so it's gonna be really exciting to try these out and give you guys my first impression. And with that said, let's get right into the video then. So I think I'm going to start with the Brit ponytail. Can you open this for me? Thank you. I did watch a few reviews online to see how they put on the pony and the buns and everything. So now I'm gonna take some bobby pins and just secure some loose ends right here so that they don't show. I'm trying to avoid hairspray as much as possible, but if we need to go down that route, I'm willing to hairspray my hair. It just means I'm gonna have to take a shower again. So it's made from top tier Japanese synthetic fiber. It looks and feels like the real thing. It does. So she's currently combing the hair right now because you're supposed to brush the hair before you use it and then brush it after you're done using it. Here you go, guys. Here is the, what is this one called?
Brit.
The Brit pony. Feeling like Ariana Grande. It's actually not too heavy, which I like. It's really long. This is how long it is. How crazy is that? And it feels really nice. Oh my god, I'm obsessed.
Yeah, just keep it at the bottom like this, and then move your way up like that.
So for the next pony extension, I'm going with the Lilly Pony, and this is basically the same length as my hair, so I feel like it's just gonna add more volume to my hair. And then I just kind of split my hair different to kind of give it that different pony look. It's not as high as the first one. So this is what it looks like on. As you can see, it matches super well with the length of my hair. And personally, I feel like it looks more natural. So cute. So for the next hair look, we're ending with the Sammy Bun. I'm actually really excited about this one because I suck at buns, like I said earlier in this video. So I'm ready to basically have something to give me like a nice bun on a daily basis. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Oh, it looks pretty nice. Oh yeah, I really like it. Yeah. Oh my god. Yay! Look how good this bun is, and it looks so real. I love it. That is pretty much it for today's review video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A big shout out to insert name here for sending me all these wonderful products. I will say my favorite ones was probably the bun that I'm currently wearing right now and the Lilly Pony, which was like the shorter one. I just felt like it was more natural for my hair. I do want to mention that these hair pieces are super easy to clip on. It's just that I'm really bad with hair, so that's why I asked my sister to help me. If you enjoyed it, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be notified of more videos. I love you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.